unfold, keys in hand, a silent vow. The open road is calling now. Fingers grip the steering wheel, a thrill of freedom I can't feel. Leaving worries far behind with every mile. Peace I find. Oh, the engine's heartbeat, steady and true, carries me onward, me and you, through city lights or country lanes, washing away all the pains. Yeah, the engine's heartbeat, a powerful sound, spinning round and round all over town. Ooh. Chrome glinting under summer sun, a brand new day has just begun. Windows down, the wind blows free, whispering secrets just to me. Every curve a gentle sway, chasing horizons come what may. No destination cast in stone, just the journey, oh my own. Oh, the engine's heartbeat, steady and true, carries me onward, me and you, through city lights or country lanes, washing away all the pains. Yeah, the engine's heartbeat, a powerful sound, spinning round and round all over town. From classic lines to modern gleam, each a part of a driving dream, a symphony of gears and speed, planting new adventures, sowing seeds. More than metal, glass and tire, it fuels a passion, sets a fire. Oh, the engine's heartbeat, steady and true, carries me onward, me and you, through city lights or country lanes, washing